Sahih Al-Bukhari 3144, narrated Nafi radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Umar bin al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, O Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam, I vowed to observe itikaf for one day during the Islamic period. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered him to fulfill his vow. Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha gained two lady captives from war prisoners of Hannan, and he left them in some of the houses at Makkah. When Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam freed the captives of Hannan without ransom, they came out walking in the streets. Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha said to his son, O Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, see what is the matter? Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha replied, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam has freed the captives without ransom. He said to him, go and set free those two slave girls. Nafi radiyallahu ta'ala anha added, Allah's apostle did not perform the Umrah from Al-Jarana, and if he had performed the Umrah, it would not have been hidden from Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3145, narrated Amr bin al-Taghlab radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave gifts to some people to the exclusion of some others. The latter seemed to be displaced by that. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I give to some people lest they should deviate from true faith or lose patience, while I refer other people to the goodness and contentment which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put in their hearts. And Amr bin Taghlab radiyallahu ta'ala anha is amongst them. Amr bin Taghlab radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, the statement of Allah's apostle is dearer to me than red camels. Narrated Al-Hasan radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Amr bin Taghlab radiyallahu ta'ala anha told us that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam got some property or somewhere prisoners, and he distributed them in the above way, I giving to some people to the exclusion of others. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.